Hey developers, how you doing guys? Welcome back to Developers. My name is Amin and today I'm here to talk about dependencies of UseEffect in reactJS. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay with me until the end of the video. And now, let's go! Welcome back to the course. As you can see, we have UseEffect here and use some condition in our project to do side effect after this condition. The value is bigger than 1. But now I want to talk about dependencies of UseEffect as a second argument in this UseEffect callback function. So I put a comma here and put an empty array here. If we have this second argument in our UseEffect callback function, we have a dependency, and it means that this side effect and this UseEffect runs just once after initial render of our project. To better understanding, we can open inspect here, and in our console, if we refresh our project, we can see that we have component render, this console log UseEffect, but when we click on this button, of course, there is no changes in our title and there is no UseEffect anymore here, because this dependency, this empty array here, cause this UseEffect runs once after initial rendering of our project. To make it better, if we want to run this UseEffect and changing this title with some dependencies, for example, this value, when this value will change, our function will be run and our UseEffect do its jobs. We should fill this array with this value. Also, we have this UseEffect after initial rendering, and if we click on this button, we have changes in our document title, and again, we have it in our console log. And it was all about the dependencies in our UseEffect in reactJS. But something else that I want to refer to it is that you can use UseEffect in your project as many as you want. For example, UseEffect like this, callback function here, console log something, for example, dependencies. There is no dependencies here, and I want to put an empty array. It runs just after initial rendering. So if I refresh our project, we have component render and UseEffect and dependencies. But if we click on this button, there is no dependencies more here and just UseEffect, because it depends on its dependencies that's called value. So it was all about UseEffect and its dependencies and everything about rendering some side effects in our UseEffect hook. Thanks for watching me, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and of course put like and comment for me to inspire me as always. Be nice, guys. Farewell.